Welcome back to Screamer Gamers. I am here with one of my friends, Blaine. Hello, my friend. His name is Blaine, and
cheers, mate.
We're gonna show you what it would be like for a planet to crash into this planet. So this is Earth. That's another planet. They would go crashing together. They would be rotating the gravity, and then the gravity would pull them together, and it would crash.
Cheers, mate.
My hair. My hair.
For the sake of
Until it was no longer in existence. And Blaine's right.
We're gonna be
I think that this might be the end of the video. Bye guys.
Okay, bye guys.